Walking through the historical Rumson Country Club, located in Rumson, New Jersey. This is a local club, polo, and yacht organization. It's private. It includes a floating clubhouse move and a classic course that was designed by notable golf architects. We're going to walk through the history of this course when the construction started prior to 1908. The club formed from the merging of the Rumson Polo Club, Yacht Club from another, and the Seabright Yacht Club. This 18-hole golf course was opened and built and designed by golf architect Herbert Barker. The course itself has been redesigned in 1916 by legendary golf designer and the famous golf designer Donald Ross. Made updates to the course and featured risen greens and strategic bunkers that were placed throughout the golf course. Now, it did see some tragedy with the 1945 fire that took place, with the original clubhouse burnt down in a dramatic fire, but there was still a drive for golf with donations and changes to the course. Members of families donated a home built in 1900. Workers cut the historical house into two sections and floated it down the river to the club grounds. They reassembled successfully, and the house served as the main clubhouse and underwent minor renovations and expansions across the decades. In 2012, Hurricane Sandy brought major floods to the area and drowned about 150 trees across the historical grounds. With a redesign plan by golf architect Tripp Davis, the completion and major renovation project took place while they fixed the storm damage that took place. Overall, the course has seen some major changes, but still plays to its original layout that Donald Ross played and laid out. That's it for this video. Hopefully it brings you one step closer, or maybe you're even playing this course in the near future. It's private, it's invite only, and if you played it, you might have more information than most people, so be sure to add it down in the comment section below as we consistently try to make updates. And who knows, let us know, and we'll maybe even use, with approval, some of the pictures provided from you. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. That's it. And be sure to take a look at some of the other videos that have now popped up.